In this video, I will show you how to find FPL ID on mobile. So first of all, what you can do is simply open up Chrome. In the search bar, search for fantasypremiersleague.com. After that, log into your account. Once you've logged in, what you can do is simply go to the Pick Your Team section or the Points tab from this three lines menu bar in the top left corner. Once you go there, simply scroll down below. There you will find Game Week History. Click on it. And after reaching the Game Week History tab, simply click on this URL in the top of your screen. Here, click on this pencil icon. After that, at the end of your URL, you will find a specific set of numbers, and that is your unique team code. You can simply copy it and use it wherever you want it. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.